So this is Costa Rica, day 3. We just rolled out of Playa del Coco and we are headed to Playa Samara. We were there several years ago. We liked it pretty good. So this drive should be, I don't know, a little over 2 hours if we're lucky, but Costa Rica time it could turn into 3 easily because the roads work here are kind of crazy. Thankfully, we fit everything here in this Mitsubishi Montero.
We're a little tight, if you guys can see.
We got Skylar's oxygen tank in the middle there. We got all the kids packed in there.
Yeah. Hi, girl.
It's rather snug, but it's getting the job done.
Well, Natalie's the snuggest.
Yeah.
She's stuck in her pocket.
Here in Costa Rica, you have all these one-lane bridges on these 2-lane roads. You got to pay attention because you got to slow down and yield to oncoming traffic, or they need to yield to you. We're now in Playa Samara, and the reason we chose to come to this town, well, there's a couple. One is we came here 3 years ago and really liked it, but the other thing is it's kind of renowned as being a really nice place for families. It's kind of like this laid-back beach town. The ocean and the beach area is really nice for kids because there's a protected kind of reef area and a cove. So the waves roll in really gentle, and it's a good place for kids to learn how to surf, which is something that Hannah's been wanting to learn.
Yeah, I really want to learn, and so does Natalie. I don't know about Emily, though. Skylar's a little too little, though.
4 months, yeah, she's not doing that yet. But so maybe today we'll try out some surfing.
Yeah.
And then another thing we want to check out is this beach that we went to a few years ago called
Cordesalito.
It's only about 11 miles from here, but when I checked it on Waze, it says it's about an hour, and it's because it's pretty remote.
And everybody likes to have a Sunday drive on a Monday or a Tuesday.
Yeah, roads move kind of slow around here. So anyway, those are kind of some of the things we want to do while we're here in Playa Samara. And then the other thing that was really neat is this place that we're in right now, this Airbnb, is we really scored. It's just a gorgeous, brand new...
We were so lucky to get this place.
Yeah, brand new Airbnb, and it's like a super modern house. This is like really well done. It's got its own pool, its own layout areas.
The guy even brought us fresh fruit to try different things, but we've tried all of them before.
The only reason we're staying here is it was like 50 to 70% off, kind of a last minute booking. He was just trying to get it booked. And so we got it for such a cool deal. So anyway, we're loving the stay here. Those are some of the things that we want to check out. And then
show some pictures of the place too.
Yeah, we'll throw some footage in here of this place. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Hey, Skylar.
Say hi, Daddy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Say hello, Daddy.
Hey, kitty. So we're headed to, what's the name of the beach, babe?
Cordesalito.
Cordesalito. And why are we headed there?
Because you can see hatching turtles, and it's a really nice beach.
And I left my shoes there last time. So I might find
We're hoping to find Natalie's shoes.
later. We could find her shoes, but I doubt it.
3 years ago. She left her shoes.
We also heard from a local that the turtles tend to hatch around sunset, right? Or in the evening?
Yeah.
So maybe we'll look out and get to see these turtles hatching. It's also a pretty remote beach, so it's out on a bunch of gravel roads, up through some bush country.
And last time we saw macaws when we were there.
Yeah, we did. And the reason they were there is kind of unfortunate for the turtles, and that is they like to eat the hatching turtles. Everything wants to eat the hatching turtles. Those Cody creatures, whatever, those like raccoon-like creatures were there.
Cody, yeah. They eat baby turtles.
Anyway, this afternoon we did go surfing. And
we learned how to surf.
Hannah got up on the board all by herself and caught a wave several times.
I did it twice, going out all the way, and then 3 times that I went out with you, and then I swam out.
But that was a lot of fun. I wanted to get some footage, but you just kind of got to watch your stuff. And Sandra was staying at the house with Skylar because she needed to nap. And so we just didn't want to leave our gear sitting on the beach there. So we took as little as possible just in case someone swiped our bags. Hopefully you can hear me because the ocean is so loud here. But we just made it to Cordesalito Beach. It's about an hour ride from Samara. I'm just looking, there's tons of little hermit crab just crawling all over. But anyway, so the turtles are definitely hatching out. You can see their nesting sites. The unfortunate thing is the vultures know that as well. And there's literally probably a couple hundred vultures hanging out down this beach. we're the only people here, but there's tons of vultures and they're sitting here working on the turtle nest. So hopefully some of the turtles make it out at night. Well, we know they do, but it's unfortunate that if any of them make it near the surface during the day, there's pretty much something that's going to eat them. This is just a gorgeous beach. I'll have to show you some clips here. It's just amazing to have the entire beach here to just us. So Hannah's been scouring the beach for coconuts and she found a few. Using my pocket knife, she got some open. And here we're having some coconut water. Let's see what this tastes like.
It's not as sweet as like the store-bought one.
Yeah.
Probably have added sugar.
It's still good.